Myself, Chef Indranil Chaudhary. I'm from Amity University, Kolkata. So thank you very much for having me here. I'm at Spencer's Quest Mall, one of the finest retail store in Kolkata. Starting the first cookie is a triple chocolate cookie. So without wasting any more time, I'll be starting. So for making these cookies, first we need, for making cookies, there are different concepts of making cookies, complicated one, composite one, easy one. So this cookie is all about butter, means the liquid component and the dry component. So liquid components comes butter, and the dry component comes the flour part, and all the dry product that we are going to use. So to start with, I'll take 60 grams of butter. And I'm going to mix the butter with some brown sugar into it. So what will be the quantity of brown sugar? So the brown sugar quantity would be 100 grams of brown sugar. I would expect everyone, if you are actually interested, you can write it down the recipe and the quantity so that you can try at home. And all the products we'll be getting it from Spencer's Quest Mall. Every single thing, whatever you're seeing it here in the table, everything is from this particular store. So if you can always go for online, you can come into the store, you can take all the products here. So I don't have any problem selecting products from here because whatever I've given the requisition, everything was available here. So I'll take 100 gram of sugar till it forms light and creamy here. Along with that, 100 gram of caster sugar.
Yes, Sopos, you can note it down the
100
recipe.
grams of caster sugar and brown sugar together. So mix it together. Very easy to make, anybody can make it at home. We need to mix that stuff till it becomes light, right? So no need to think of any complicated machine that we're using now. So whisk will definitely do. If you do not have even whisk, you can use your hand to mix it, right? Honey part will be not more than 15 ml. So what is the 15 ml if you do not have any measuring cup and spoon? This 1 tablespoon is 15 ml. So 1 tablespoon you have it here. Honey is to give a brilliant color. The basic concept or the basic motto should be light and fluffy. The butter should change its color from yellow to white until the sugar should properly dissolve. Everything is getting mixed. Add 1 egg. Now if you're adding egg, then definitely you should be adding vanilla essence into it. Just put it off because the raw flavor of egg will definitely hamper or affect the cookie smell. So 15 ml of vanilla essence. 170 preheat. So we have added what? Initially we added butter and sugar, 2 types of sugar. Brown sugar and white sugar means caster sugar. Then we added 1 egg and vanilla essence, right? Now, this is the liquid part, it's done. Now we need to add the dry ingredient here. So before putting the dry ingredient, 210 gram of flour. So once it is absolutely dissolved the mixture, then now what all the dry ingredient left, very minutely you need to do it. That's the baking soda and baking powder. Now some people will ask why to add this baking soda and baking powder together. Way of baking soda, it should be 2.5, very, very minute. So you mix it properly and you need to cut and fold it, just mix it with the light hand. Do not mix it, only cut and fold. See, cut and fold, cut and fold. This should form a dough. The final step, you need to add chocolates here. 60 grams of milk chocolate, 60 grams, all equal. As I said, resin concept, all equal. You can substitute these 3 chocolate into 1. It can, if you are looking for absolutely, a white color of cookies, or chocolate should be white in there. So only use this white chocolate. And last is, you have to use your hand now, otherwise it won't mix. It's a dough now. See the consistency? It should form a dough. I would prefer to add a pinch of salt here for the flavor balance because all are sweet here. So this should be the dough. So you make some ball like this. There is a technique of it. Those who are into this cookie making or bakery, those are interested in inclined. You do it here and put it directly in the. We should be chilling it up in the fridge. And always place the cookies little away from each other. Yes, yes, yes. Baking is actually a science. Yeah, we need to put that in oven, 170 degree for 15 minutes. Then after that, we need to check whether it's done or not. 170 done? Yeah. 15 minutes, then after that you need to check. I'll have a second because we need to chill it. And we need to bake it after 30 minutes of set in 170 degree convection. But I'm not going to mention any time for that. Why? Because it depends upon the size of the cookie. If you're making this much cookies, so it'll definitely, because of the surface area, it'll cook fast. So maybe 13 to 15 minutes, but you need to check every moment that it's done or not. I'm sure those who are seeing us online or in FB Live will be missing a brilliant smell which just came out from the oven. So we definitely expect that people should be coming in to understand how it goes. And please try to make it as your home and tag Spencer's here. I'll come to the second recipe. It's called oatmeal and raisin cookie. Very healthy, very nutritious. Can try at home. Because these are the cookies, the recipes are not very, very difficult. So again, you have to take butter, oatmeal and raisin cookies, I repeat. Yes, 100 gram of brown sugar. You need to mix it till the sugar dissolves properly. The egg should be around 50 grams. Perfect. So 15 ml of vanilla essence. So 140 gram of flour. Yes, 140 gram of flour. Then of course, the dry ingredients are baking soda, 2 grams. Very minute, 4 grams. Baking powder, 4 grams. And 2 grams of baking soda. You need to mix it together, nicely mix. You need to mix it here. Anything maybe with some nuts. So that's a component of it. But vanilla essence is the basic component, because if you're adding, see, butterscotch cookies, so of course butterscotch essence. 100 gram of oat. 100 grams of raisin. I'll add some whole here. The raisin should be soaked always to give the best of the flavor. So it is already preheated, 170. Okay, now 20 grams I'll use it here. And cut and fold. So you cannot give any shape to the cookies until it is set.
Yeah.
Maybe 40 grams each. See, it is sticky, right? But you are not supposed to keep this in the oven. That's what I said again, if you want cookies to be flat, you don't have to chill it. Another tip is, if you want cookies to be very sweet or chewy, add more sugar. Sugar will caramelize inside. It will make it chewy. So we need to put that in fridge. So as I said, the first cookie was made, I've given the name, and it was actually inspired by one of the finest chefs in India, Vinesh Johnny. And all equal. The concept was fantastic because of this George Floyd issue and the racism. We might be looking different. We might look different, but we are all a part of a cookie called Earth.